In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or remove volume bars on Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to quickly add the volume indicator to any chart and remove it when you don't need it. First, open Tradingview. This can be in your web browser or the desktop app. Wait for the platform to load so all toolbar options are visible. Next, open your chart. If you already have one saved, select it. If not, open any symbol you want to analyze so the main price chart is on your screen. Now, I'll click Indicators in the top toolbar. This opens the Indicators window where you can search for tools to add to your chart. In the search box, type Volume. In the results, click Volume to add it to your chart. You'll see a new pane appear below the price chart with colored bars. These are your volume bars. If you see them appear, the volume indicator has been successfully added. You don't need to change any settings for it to work. At this point, you can move your mouse over the volume pane to confirm it's separate from the main price area. The bars will align with each candle or bar on your chart, showing how much trading activity occurred during each period. If you want to remove the volume bars, hover over the volume pane. On the right side of the pane's header, you'll see an X icon. Click the X to remove the volume indicator from the chart. This only removes the indicator from the current chart view. It does not affect your data or account, and you can add it back at any time using the same steps. Once that's done, the volume pane will disappear and your chart will return to the previous layout without the volume bars. That's all you need to add or remove volume bars on Tradingview. You opened Tradingview, opened your chart, clicked Indicators, searched for volume and added it, and then removed it by hovering over the volume pane and clicking the X. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.